So where are we going?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Why?
Because I like Chuck E. Cheese.
But why are we going to Chuck E. Cheese?
Because it's Brennan's birthday.
Is it? How old is Brennan?
He's going to be 3. He's going to be 4. No, he's going to be 3 tomorrow.
No, tomorrow or tonight?
2.
No.
2.
No, he's 3. But he's like a little baby, huh?
Because Brennan's going to be 3, then 4.
Don't hit Brendan, Aiden. You say sorry, Brendan, first.
Sorry.
Say sorry, Brendan.
Uncle Paul, you know I'm going to be 5 when I'm my birthday. Say
I know. I not say that word to you.
No, Brendan say that.
Oh, that's okay. Brendan's a baby. You don't say that.
Shut up.
You say that.
Shut up.
No, you.
Shut up.
No, don't say that.
Don't say that, baby. You baby.
No, you're a baby.
Are you going to Chuck E. Cheese with us?
No.
Are you going to Chuck E. Cheese?
Can you?
No.
Why?
I'm not going to Chuck E. Cheese with you guys. Because you guys are bad boys and girls. I just kidding. Of course I'm going. Yes, I'm going. I'm going with you guys.
Paul, put it in, Paul. Paul, put it in.
Huh?
His seatbelt. He can't put it in.
Oh, you can't put it in? You can't?
I can't put it in.
High five. You know high five me? High five.
Hey, that boy. Trying to give you a high five.
No, I'm still up for the whole cake.
Happy birthday to Brennan. Because he's a big baby.
Happy birthday.
Yes, you are.
Baby.
He's a big baby.